Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I'm coming back at you with another. Today I'm doing a video that I haven't done in a long time. I be getting questions all the time like, Snipe, when y'all buy shoes, I be getting DMs. Sometimes I even be getting comments like, what do I need to do with these? Or should I pass? Should I sell? I used to do videos like this all the time. I used to do how to cops all the time. I think a lot of y'all probably came to this channel from how to cop. I even used to do videos where I was like hold and sell, but since I'm not really a reseller, I kind of fell further and further out of like the knowledge and the know-how of like, you know, reselling and things like that. But I kind of wanted to bring that segment back a little bit and add like a little bit of spin to it. This time I wanted to talk to y'all about certain sneakers that's going for the low right now that's usually going for the high. So basically it's certain sneakers out right now that I think you could take full advantage of buying right at resellers low, because it's not gonna stay low forever. Buy these now, I'm telling you, you won't be sorry. In the sneaker game, it's all about either buy it now while the price is down or feel sorry later when the price go back up. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, if you want to know more information like this. I will try my best to start making more videos like this. I feel like the more informative videos is what I've been missing. A lot of my best videos have been like real versus fakes, things like that, informative videos. So I guess I gotta get back to that, man. I ain't gonna hold you. Follow me over on Instagram, Twitter, everything linked down below. But without further ado, man, let's get into it. So what I got here is a sneaker that has really low resale value if you take everything in totality. I have the red vermilion Yeezy foam runner. I know like the foam runner box is kind of like inside out. Got the foam here, but I got the red vermilion foam runner. This probably is one of my favorite foam runner colorways. It's very bright. Very bright. It's like that Red October colorway. I love this shoe. I actually even did a troll video where I wore a fake pair outside the Donda Stadium when they did the Yeezy concert here in Atlanta. That was hilarious. This sneaker dropped not too long ago, and I actually got my pair due to a Discord group called Saber. I know a lot of people do Discord groups. A lot of people got cook groups, but I kind of want to talk to you about Saber because if you do have a Discord group that doesn't do what they do, you might need to leave. And if you guys are wondering what the hell a cook group is, let me go ahead and break it down for you. So Saber is the cook group that I used to grab this shoe. I got it for retail a while back. If I would have known that resale would have been like this, you know what I'm saying, I would have probably got like more, because I know over time these definitely going up. Cook groups are important nowadays, bro. Like I used to be one of those dudes that didn't like cook groups because I felt like all they bots was taking all the shoes. I'm a real sneakerhead, bro. I'm not an old head, but I still came up at a time where you wait in line, you camp out, you get your shoe, you get respected. So like all the bots and all this extra stuff that's going on in sneakers nowadays that people don't like, trust me, I was a part of that, but my job is to literally make content and buy sneakers, so I can't do that if I don't have the shoe. And sadly to say, bro, if you can't beat them, you gotta join them. So cook groups, especially Saber and Saber Cook Group, they give you opportunities to be able to know everything about sneakers. For example, the Cool Grey 11 just dropped. They knew about the shock drop before everybody. They got some of the best bots on the market, and the bots are free. So if you with the cook group, then you get to buy shoes absolutely free. All you do is give them your cart info, tell them how many pairs you want, they go after them, they grab as many as they possibly can. Obviously you don't lose no money, because if they don't get the shoe, then you don't spend the money. But yes, you spend the money, you get retail on the shoes with the bots. And like I said, they are some of the best bots out there. And that's one of the main things, is to add the cart service. That's probably why you losing out on 90% of the shoes, because bro, to be honest, there's not a lot of people actually still logging online trying their best to get a shoe. Everybody got add to cart service, and they offer the add to cart service, and that's not even just for sneakers. They do Supreme, Bape, whatever's coming out, even if it's a BMX bike, whatever you want them to be a part of, they'll use that bot and try to get whatever you need them to. It's a whole community of people. And like I said, bro, I wasn't into the cook groups, bro. I knew nothing about them, but the fact that they got the 24-hour or 24/7 people that's like in there actually helping you out. If you need a question asked, they got dedicated people that their only job is to answer your question. So even if you get lost in the cook group, all the answers you need to be there. Now it's $35 a month. If you use discount code SNIPE10, you will only have to pay $25 for your first month. But if you really plan on like buying a lot of sneakers, if you want to be a reseller, if you want to even get in like stuff like NFTs and stock, they got stuff for that. So if you really want to do this, and $35 not really that bad, because I mean you flip one shoe, you made your money back for the whole month. And like I said, you get nothing but early info. You get notice when like it's a restock or a shock drop. It's just knowing, bro. Like the reason why it's hard being a sneakerhead nowadays is because you just don't know, bro. Most of us got a job, we got family, we got kids, we got shit to do, we out doing stuff. How do you expect me to know everything that's going on? You can't. Like I say, bro, I just joined the cook group, and if they do the hard work for me, bro, I come through, I give them my card, they look out for me like they did on these, and that's pretty much it. These joints are actually on StockX right now, and they only going for like $260, which is very low. Like if we look at the foam runners that came out a while back, cause I still got some of the OGs, bro. I got like one of the first foam runners to drop. I was lucky enough to hit on the Adidas site because that's back when people didn't even care about foam runners, bro. Like nobody even wanted this shoe. They was like, oh, it's ugly, and don't get me wrong, I still say it's kind of ugly, but this is the most comfortable shoe I have in my entire collection. I did a GQ top 10 things I can't live without. Guess what was on it? This, bro. 260 is not bad at all, right? These, like, if this was what, last year? 500, 600, no cap, bro. These are literally going for $500, $600. So in my opinion, I feel like they have no choice but to go up. This is a red pair. Red pair, very sought after. It's a very popping colorway. It will go up. Mark my words, bro. I'm trying to put y'all on game right now, but hey, don't say Snipe ain't did nothing for you, bro. I'm trying to put you on right now. These gonna go up. Now, as far as the maintenance on these joints, I gotta be upfront, bro. I was kind of bamboozled by the maintenance, bro. I think, realistically, I'm just being 100% realistic because this is really all rubber. All this really is, bro, is a rubber upper that's pretty much well put together, don't get me wrong, but it's just a rubber upper. You gotta take care of this shoe. This shoe, to me, once again, to me, it's not meant to be worn outside. I know you think I'm reaching, bro, because it's a shoe. Yeah, but if you walking around, especially like, say if you live in New York or something like that, you walking all the time, this outer sole get really banged up. Trust me, I've been there, done that. I got some foam runners right now that look beat the heck up, and it's because I kind of wore them the wrong way. I didn't really know how to wear them. I would just really wear these inside. It might not be your best option for durability. You still gonna look fly. It can go with a fit. That's one thing about this shoe that's fire. Even the slides, bro. I was very, very impressed with how well not only Yeezy slides, but Yeezy foam runners go with outfits, bro. Like, you can wear jeans and foam runners. I've done it. I've done it several times, and it actually works. I wore jeans with Yeezy slides, and it worked. I don't know why. You know what I'm saying? It just does. Shout out to Kanye, the dude of the jeans. If we look on StockX right now, the pair that I have in the other room, which is more like the sand colorway or the more earth tone colorway, a size 12 is going for $849. If you didn't hear me right, hold on. Let me look into the camera with it. $849. You see it. This one is only going for $260. So the fact that this one is going for almost $1,000 and this one is less than half is all the proof I should need to tell y'all that you need to grab these now. Now I know like the beginning ones or like the earlier ones are always more expensive than like the later ones, but even if we look at ones that's not as early as this colorway, it's still a lot cheaper. And I was surprised because we all know what the connection between Kanye and Red October. His biggest sneaker he's ever created is the Nike Red October. So for them to come out with like a Red October Yeezy, I really thought they was gonna be fire, which they are, but I thought the resale price was gonna be up there just because of the connection with Red October, but it's not. And it was a rumor, like it was a rumor that, you know, Kanye definitely went and followed a lot of people who like used his image for their like Instagram page. So like that all black logo that he has for like his Instagram picture, if you would have did that and you follow Kanye West, I don't know how they randomly pick people, but I know 2 people, actually 3 people that got followed by Kanye West. I heard that Kanye actually gave people that he followed these on Instagram. I don't know if that's true, because Davis told me that. He could be capped, but Kanye does follow him on Instagram. He does have a sneaker. He said it was sent to him from Kanye and Adidas because he followed him. So if that's the case, then I think that they gonna go up even more if this was the colorway that Kanye chose to send like his most loyal fans or the people that he followed on Instagram. I think that's a cool subject. I didn't hear nobody talk about it in the sneaker community, so I didn't really want to make a video on it because I don't know how true it is, but I was told by somebody who's actually followed by Kanye, these were sent to them. It could be cap, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all followed by Kanye and y'all got sent something. I don't really know how they go. Y'all want to see more videos on what sneakers to grab right now while the resale is loading? Comment down below and go crazy on this like button. We ain't have a video with a lot of likes in a minute, man. Y'all just be watching, soaking up free game, not hitting the like button. Y'all wildin'. Smash up the like button. Check out the Cook Group Saver down below. Don't forget to use the discount code SNIPE10. You can get $10 off your first month and only pay $25 with the Cook Group. Like I said, man, Cook Groups are definitely essential too, if you plan on buying sneakers from now on, the future, it's just too much competition we going against, bro. We can't do it by ourselves. We need a team in order to get these W's. So feel free to use the Cook Group to your advantage, man, and get some of those W's that you've been going without. It is your boy Sniper Jones, man. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous. We're really putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.